Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Chevy Impala LT. This has a black exterior with a black interior. Come around to the back here. Got our Chevy Impala LT and V6 badging, as well as our trunk. Stitching accents throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, and we have a turnkey ignition here. Mileage is currently at 74,161. And here we have our display with radio, navigation, also have climate control here, and the shifter. A quick look at the center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.